When you own an EV or a Tesla, there is always the question of what charger should I get? I know Tesla used to come with their own chargers. Unfortunately, this is not the case. Our friends over at Tayniu aim to fix this issue for us by giving us the best and greatest chargers that we can have in the market. Looking at the box, you have a US plug. This is a really nice addition at no cost. You also have your charger that allows you to charge other models rather than just a Tesla. And something that I love about this is the way this thing looks. This thing looks robust, it looks very strong, and it looks very shiny, which I think it's a nice touch. Connecting it to the US adapter and then to the wall is just as easy as, well, connecting it to a USB adapter. Upon connecting this to the wall, you are greeted by Tayniu's own little software within the charger, which I think is great. This menu gives you access to a whole bunch of different options, and it gives you a nice LED to tell you when the car is charging, when it's completed, or when it's about to start charging. And on the subject of charging, keep in mind that if you are plugging this to a Tesla, you must buy this adapter. They sell these adapters anywhere like Amazon or eBay. They're fairly cheap, but you need one to charge your Tesla. That is a very satisfying noise. Testing it is extremely easy. All you have to do is plug it into your car and watch the light show happen. If everything is well connected, you should see a change between the blue light and the green light. The green light meaning that your car is fully charged, such as mine. But if it's blinking green, that means that your car is currently charging. And I thoroughly enjoy this attention to detail because it is really nice to see a little light telling you that the car is charging. I know Tesla has this as well, but it's not as clear. Huge props to Tayniu for also making this a touchscreen, which I think is really nice to switch your menu and select the different charging states for your car, as well as having a little setting interface in your own menu and usage steps to allow you to indicate what exactly you want and how you want your car to be charged. I think that's a very nice attention to detail. Inspecting the charger brick, and you can tell that this is extremely strong and well durable. I think this is gonna last you quite a lifetime if you take care of it. Giving it a quick comparison with my OEM Tesla charger, and you can tell there's a huge difference in not just size, style, quality, and look. Tesla doesn't have a screen, which I think is a huge prop to Tayniu's because it allows you to expand on how your car charges. I think this is a great idea, and I also love the LED. Glancing at both cables, and you can absolutely see how Tayniu's cable is just that much thicker than Tesla's. I don't know why I assimilate durability with the thickness of the cables. I don't know why that is, but I just think Tayniu's having a bigger cable just means that it's better built. Sizing is another key factor for Tayniu's because it has the LCD and the lights. I think it's just quite bigger and more robust, and it feels a lot stronger. I also want to point out that the handle feels like I'm grabbing a gas station handle. Feels great, and the cable feels really nice. Having an extension cord is also a plus. I don't like this as much, but it is good if you're charging in other countries. Removing the charger again reminds me of owning a car that I have to fill up at the gas station, which I think it's nice. I briefly want to mention that all of the details and specs for this charger will be down in the link in the description below, and any other information that you may need about the charger could be found at Tayniu's website, tayniu.com. With that being said, I simply wanted to thank you, Tayniu, for sponsoring this video, and thank you so much, guys, for always watching my videos, liking and subscribing. If you have any questions, comment down below. With that being said, I'm excited to take this on my next road trip with my little backpack and all the accessories. See you all on the next one. Bye.